Excitement bubbles in the air as we unlock the doors to an extraordinary world of creativity, financial freedom, and boundless opportunities. Imagine turning your passion for photography into a lucrative venture, all from the comfort of your home. Today, we're delving into the vibrant universe of making money online through stock photography. Brace yourselves for a thrilling journey where your artistic vision meets high profits and low effort. The magic starts with your camera, capturing moments, emotions, and scenes that tell captivating stories. Every click of the shutter holds the potential for not just a photograph but a source of passive income. It's the beauty of stock photography. Picture this: your stunning images being used in advertisements, websites, and marketing campaigns worldwide, and you earning money while you sleep. It's a dreamy notion that's very much within your reach. One of the best aspects of stock photography is its ability to transform your passion into a work-from-home enterprise. Imagine the freedom of setting your own hours, crafting your own creative vision, and having the world as your canvas. You can capture the beauty of everyday life, exotic travels, or even conceptual art right in your home studio. It's not just a job, it's a lifestyle. Now, let's talk about the marvel of passive income. Once your photos are uploaded to stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images, they work for you 24/7. Every download, every use, brings in revenue. It's like planting seeds of creativity that continue to bloom, ensuring a steady flow of income with minimal effort from your end. Your photos become assets, earning for you while you focus on capturing even more beautiful moments. And the best part? You don't need a professional studio or top-tier equipment to get started. High-quality photos can be taken with a smartphone. With a keen eye for detail, an understanding of lighting, and a touch of creativity, you can create images that sell. Plus, stock photography platforms often provide resources and guides to help you enhance your skills, ensuring your success in this exciting venture. Imagine the thrill of seeing your work featured in marketing campaigns, magazines, or even on billboards. Your photographs have the power to evoke emotions, convey messages, and tell stories to a global audience. Every click is a step toward making your mark in the world of visual storytelling. But it's not just about the art, it's about understanding the market. Research trends, study what sells, and adapt your style while staying true to your vision. With the right balance, you can create a portfolio that appeals to a wide range of clients, ensuring a constant influx of buyers appreciating your artistry. The financial rewards of stock photography are awe-inspiring. While your images are out there making an impact, you're earning high profits with low effort. It's the epitome of a win-win situation. Your creativity is not just a passion, it's a valuable commodity in the digital age. In this exhilarating journey of stock photography, you're not just capturing moments, you're capturing opportunities. Opportunities to explore your creativity, opportunities to work from the comfort of your home, and most importantly, opportunities to earn a significant income while doing what you love. So, my fellow photographers and creative souls, grab your cameras, unleash your imagination, and step into this enchanting world of stock photography. Let your passion be your guide, and let your artistry pave the way to a future where high profits, creativity, and the joy of making money online harmoniously coexist. Happy clicking!